Hi, now I am changing the spark plugs of VAUXHALL Corsa 2018. It is very simple. The first thing you have to do is you have to lift this cover up. Just pull it by the hand. Put your hand down below here and just pull it off from all the four sides. There are 4 clips here. These are the 4 clips you can see at the back. Just pull it out. Always wear safety gloves. I have removed the key out from the steering lock. It's in my pocket, so be sure not to leave it on. So now you have to open the socket up by the help of a screwdriver. Just a flat screwdriver will do the job. I'll use the flat screwdriver from the set, the normal one. Just pull the lock out. It's come out now, and then press it and then just pull it out. It's very simple. There are 3, 3, 6, 7, 8 pins, as you can see. So now we have to remove this, the high tension coil. Just dust it, blow some air with the mouth. So I'll remove both of them. It's simple DIY. You know how much time it takes, not that much time. Now I can keep this aside. Yeah, it just come out with one hand. It's good, it's not so tight. It was very simple. So the coil is out. It is clean inside. Keep the coil down, it's clean here as well. Just using the normal box spanner from the set. I put 2 spanners so that I get the length, required length. Don't have to buy any special tool as well. So untighten it in the anti-clockwise this way. Just trying to make a stand, a DIY stand for the mobile. Yeah, this should be fine. Now it's very easy. It came out easily. After 2 turns, I have removed the rod from the spanner. So the spark plug is out. Actually your head is not reaching inside. I have a magnet. This is the magnet I'll just pop it up with the help of the magnet. Yeah, there it goes. I got the one, so I'll go for next three. Same procedure. Going for the second one. I will install the first one, that will be good. So first I will put the new one in. I will put the new one in, same with the help of the magnet. Just hold it and lower it down. Right in the middle, and there it goes. Just remove the magnet out and tighten it first by your hand. Keep on tightening until it's quite hard. Then tighten it fully, don't leave it halfway because you might forget it at the end. Yeah, gone all the way through. Full tight. Now I'll remove the second one. Yeah, it was not too tight. Just just one turn and it comes out just by turning it like this. Yeah, there it comes with the magnet. The second one, I'll pop in the new one as well. I have did it last year, but I have not recorded it. So this time I thought maybe because of COVID, people will save some money. So I'll pop this inside with the help of the magnet as well. Yeah, there it goes nicely. Remove the magnet and pop in the pipe spanner. There it goes nicely. Yeah, tighten it by hand until you can. Yeah, it's get tight now. I will tighten it with the rod now. There it goes. Give a good tight, full tight, because you might forget it at the end. Yeah, it's all done. This is a DIY video to change the spark plugs. It is very easy, but be careful. When you are tightening the spark plugs, the new ones, first tighten it with your hand so that you do not slip the thread. Otherwise, it will cost you a lot of money to replace the head of the engine. Jesus loves you. God bless you.